Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Northern Electric 3-slot payphone, and this is Dan's telephone from California. And so basically we have some issues with this telephone, and we're going to get them all straightened out. This is the initial checkout. Dan wants a security cable, or what's called an armored handset cable on this telephone, and we're going to be installing a bell, and we're going to be installing a modular line port so that Dan can walk up to this telephone and plug any line cord, any length, color, or whatever into this telephone, and that makes for a simple, clean connection. Now, there is no lock in the vault, and it was spring-loaded. Somebody put it on a spring. So basically, I'm thinking Dan wants to go back to that situation because I don't think he's going to be using the vault area for anything, but I'm trying to contact him now, and if he wants a lock and key, we'll certainly install a lock and key. On the body here, we're going to be going with a aftermarket body lock and key, and because it's already had one installed, but there is no key to it, and it's pretty old and in bad shape, and so there wouldn't even be any sense in trying to make a key for that. We'll just replace it. And also what we want to do is his number wheel here is in bad condition, so we've got him one of them. That's been ordered and it came in. Another issue is the rotary. See how that locks up? It's not really returning properly. And it's pretty much falling off. So we need to go through that and find out what's going on. We also want to go through the coin validator in case Dan does decide to drop some coins down through this unit, that they will go through the coin validator. We're going to be going through this telephone and wiring it the way we need to wire it so that it'll work the way we want it to work for home use. And we're going to get some more video of this telephone as we move along in the progress and the repair and conversion of this telephone. So we're going to go ahead and take a short break and start on the telephone. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair and conversion of this payphone. And as you can see, the top sign is what we were waiting on, and we'll give you a still picture of that. And that adds a nice little touch to the telephone. And so basically we're going to run through a little bit about what we did with this telephone. We went ahead and converted the telephone, and we found a top sign for it. We also added a security handset cord like Dan wanted, and then we installed an aftermarket lock. And to open this telephone, you want to go ahead and push in on the body because they're spring-loaded, and then you would turn it to the left, and then the body would come off. And then you just push it in a little bit and turn it to the right and lock the telephone up. There is no vault lock. It's on a spring, and that's the way the unit came in. And if Dan wants, he can always add a lock down the road, or a different body sign, or whatever he chooses to do. We also installed a dial center ring, and it says wait for dial tone. We'll give you a still picture of that also. And then we went through the dial. The dial was moving real sluggish, and it was locking up. So now you can see that it's turning free and the way it's supposed to work. We went through this telephone and rewired it the way we needed it wired for it to work the way we want it to work. We installed a bell on the inside, And Dan also has a bell in his telephone booth that he's going to use. So it's going to have pretty loud ring, because the bell in the telephone booth will ring, and so will this telephone. So what we want to do now is I want to go ahead and drop some money in it. I'm going to take a quarter, which will gong once. I want to take a dime. That'll ring the bell twice. And a nickel will ring the bell once. We'll go ahead and do another quarter. Another dime. And one nickel. So we know that the money is dropping through into the cash vault, just in case Dan uses the vault for a bank. I also want to take a still picture of the line port that we installed in the back of this telephone. So we'll go ahead and ring the telephone. We'll let that go a few times since this telephone didn't have a bell. I'll let it go one more time. I want to give you some dial tone. Now, if you watch the analyzer, we're going to walk through our numbers. I'm going to end in a 2. I want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hello, hello. So we know that this telephone is ringing. We know it has receive, transmit, and that it's dialing out, and it's taking money. What we can do is, I have a switch box here. If I press this button, that totally takes the analyzer out of the situation and gives us a line out. So what we can do is call a time and temp number. Give you some dial tone.
Good morning. When you need body work, we're a short drive away. Offenburg Body Center, 234-0330. Today is Wednesday, June 19th. The time is 10:37. Current temperature, 92 degrees. Now the Belleville area weather forecast.
Mostly sunny today, showers and thunderstorms likely. Highs in the 80s, mostly clear this evening. Showers and thunderstorms likely, lows in the mid-60s. Partly cloudy Thursday, a chance of showers and thunderstorms, highs around 90.
I also want to show you the security cable. When you have the security cable and the top sign and everything that goes with a payphone, it just adds to this telephone. And I'm sure when Dan gets this installed in his telephone booth, it's going to really look cool. So, you know, it's a nice telephone, Northern Electric. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.